Good morning, children. I'm back with you all in your SST class. Today, we are going to start the first lesson of economics. Now, economics is a subject with which you have already gone through in your last year. That time it was a new subject for you all. But I think the conception of economics is clear to you all. What exactly economics deals with. So, I don't think that I need to discuss the matter. So let's shift to the first chapter of economics, that is development. Now, what exactly development is? You need to understand the word first, the meaning of the word first. Development means progress. Development means growth. Development means improvement. Development means lifting your level in a high strata. Clear? Now, development varies from person to person. For me, as because we all are different human beings, for me development, definition of development is different. For you, definition of development is different. For some other people, definition of development is different. But that doesn't mean that development means 5 different aspects. No. Whatever the definition is, the result is going to be improvement. Motto can be different, way can be different, style of thinking can be different, style of movement can be different, but the thing is development, and that is improvement. Clear? Now, the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. Similarly, we have ideas about what a country should be like. What are essential things that we require? Can life be better for all? And so many more questions. The more a person improves, the more his desire and demand increases. Just think about it. When we are kids, we used to get a small toy, we used to be happy. The more we are growing up, our needs, our desire, our demand is getting increased. And our guardians and parents are trying their level best to fulfill it up. But that doesn't mean that when we were kids, for us development was different and now the development is different. No, it is a continuous process of improvement. It is a continuous process of increasing in thoughts, ideas, views, conceptions, whatever you feel like. Understood? So development is a moving on process of life, you can say that. Now, what exactly life is for you? That is a big question. For me, life is something which where we need to enjoy, where we need to prove ourselves, where we need to present ourselves in such a situation, in such a standard that people will count after our disapproval or after in our absence. People will think about it. No, that lady or that person used to live a life in that motto. That was really good. So we should also try to live the life in that motto. That means what? We want to leave some stories behind our absence. When I will not be there, my style of development, my style of improvement in life should give a scratch or notification the mind of 5 other common people. Then only my process of development is going to be fulfilled. When this is going to be the motto of a person, then the person will definitely increase and improve in his lifestyle and process of development. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn that what type of people are thinking about what developments, what type of people live what type of life, what is the actual style of living, and what is the goal of their life. Here a chart has been given, developmental goals of different categories of persons. Very true. Landless laborers are there, prosperous farmers are there, farmers who depend on growing crops are there, a girl from a rich urban family is there, and a boy from a rich urban family is there. Urban unemployed youth is also there. So different type of people are having different goals and developments in their life according to their capacity or according to their limitations. Right? When I am thinking about my goal, first point which will strike in my mind is how I can achieve that goal. How much expense of time, energy, money is going to be over there. That should be within my limitations. That should be within my jurisdiction. That should be within my control. Then only I can fix my goal. When I'm fixing my goal, I have to keep all these points in my mind. And that is the reason why people belonging to a different style, different class, different caste, different section, different economical standard have different goals in life. যদি মাস গেলে আমার 100 টাকা রোজগার হয় তাহলে আমি 100 টাকার মধ্যেই ভাবব। আমার যদি মাস গেলে 1000 টাকা রোজগার হয় আমি 1000 টাকার মধ্যে ভাবব। আমার যদি মাস গেলে 1 লাখ টাকা রোজগার হয় আমি 1 লাখ টাকার মধ্যে ভাবব। So the person who is thinking within 100 is having a different style of thinking. Person who is thinking about 1000 thinking is a bit higher, and a person who is thinking in 1 lakh is running at the top. So goal doesn't mean that whatever I think I'm going to achieve. No, your goals should be within your jurisdiction, within your control, within your capacity, within your economical standard. Then only you can achieve it. Right? So according to the income, the goal of a person is decided. Just now I have told you, money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depends. Very true. When we are going outside in the market, we take a certain amount of money in our pocket or in our purse. Right? For suppose we are taking 500 rupees. Just an example I am telling you. We are taking 500 rupees. Now, when I am going to the market, I am finding some essential products or things that are crossing my limitations. Then I'll remove that part from the goal of my life. No, that is not important. What is more important, that should be brought. That should be bought first. That which should be brought first in my home. So, one more point is coming out. What is that? My need will decide what is my demand. My which need is essential, that will decide what is my essential demand. Which demand should be fulfilled first, which is the priority of my life. Understood? So my priority of life can never be matched with the other person residing in the same area, because we two are different human beings. We have different standard of living. We have different style of thinking. Maybe the person who is next to me is thinking about, what's the big deal? I'm having 500. Just invest it. That's all. But I think, no. I will invest. Definitely I'll invest. But I'll invest in a specific pattern, in a specific level, in a specific way, so that none of the paisa will get wasted. खर्चा करना अलग बात, बर्बाद करना अलग बात। আমি খরচা করব, আমি পয়সা নষ্ট করব। পয়সা নষ্ট তখনই হবে যখন আমি আমার প্রয়োজন ছাড়াও কিছু জিনিস কিনব। আমি কিনবো না, সিম্পল। That much control I should have in my mind and heart, that I will not buy that which is not more essential. I will only buy which is really essential and which cannot be, and for which life cannot get stopped. That thing I'll buy first. I'll buy all my essential things primarily. Then, if the money left, then I'll think which one will get the first preference among my different desires. Right? So, money, material matters a lot in somebody's life. Now, when a person is living in a country, then he or she dreams of a developed country. Now, my dear, developed country sounds very nice. Developed country, but they need specific sources, specific support, specific level of improvement. Then only a complete development of a state or a country or a society is possible. Now, what are those? How can a country or state can get divided, developed? What are the media spheres or medias on which we have to give stress? These points are very relevant with the topic, but these points we will discuss in our next session. In this session, I'll stop over here, and I hope you all will go through the text part so that it will be convenient and easy for you all to continue with me in the next class. Okay? So just go through it, be healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.